Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rapid Reviewer. Today I will talk about top 10 Korean dramas that you can watch. Number 10. Hotel del Luna. It is a hotel that caters only to ghosts. The beautiful but ill-tempered CEO is cursed to manage the hotel due to a terrible crime she committed, but cannot remember. The first episode was so mysterious and engaging that I just had to keep on watching. It's spooky but not too scary. It has comedy and romance, great sets and costumes, great actors. The cinematography is amazing. Some episodes are slow but still watchable. You can definitely watch this series. Number 9. W. A surgical resident is pulled into the webtoon world of W, which was created by her father, and becomes entangled in a murder mystery. It is a love story between a couple in their early 30s. They belong to the same era but alternate realities. It is a fast-paced drama that will leave you constantly guessing on the edge of your seat. The storyline is extremely unique and the main leads did a fantastic job in playing their roles. Number 8. The Legend of Blue Sea. It centers on the love story of a clever con man and a mermaid who falls in love with him. The characters were lovely, most especially the leading lady. She was so pretty, vulnerable, tough and endearing all at the same time. In short, the storyline is very captivating and keeps glued to the end. Number 7. Kingdom. The deceased king rises and a mysterious plague begins to spread. The prince must face a new breed of enemies to unveil the evil scheme and save his people. It is the most amazing zombie-related show I've ever watched. The bloody scenes are just so well done, looks super real. The cinematography, the casts, the plot are very well conducted and executed. If you are a fan of zombie genre, then you can definitely watch this amazing series. You will never get bored. Number 6. Memories of Alhambra. This series has so many genres: action, thriller, romance. The mind-blowing storytelling, every episode reminds you of past plot, and give chills about what's going to happen. The idea of bringing a game to real life is brilliant. So creative, you could hardly imagine. They did an overwhelming great job on VFX. The casts in this drama are good as well. You can definitely watch this if you love science fiction genre. Number 5. Guardian. In his quest for a bride to break his immortal curse, a 939-year-old guardian of souls meets a grim reaper and a sprightly student with a tragic past. A warrior has lived for 900 years as a goblin and longs for the end to his suffering. Into his life comes a young student who sees ghosts and is destined by fate to be the goblin's bride who can end his suffering. The chemistry between the characters is great. It is a superb series, great cast, clever story, well-paced and an outstanding soundtrack. Number 4. My Love from the Start. An alien comes to Earth 400 years ago, learns to live among humans, and eventually falls for a girl right before he has to go back to his home planet. It's a romantic fantasy-themed melodrama. It is more than a romance between an alien and a human but is a mystery crime show as well. From beginning to end, it is well worth watching. The writing, directing and cinematography all is excellent. Number 3. Crash Landing on You. The absolute top-secret love story of a chaebol heiress who made an emergency landing in North Korea because of a paragliding accident and a North Korean special officer who falls in love with her and who is hiding and protecting her. If you're looking for a drama with a different storyline and a different atmosphere, it would be a perfect choice. The actors play natural and they won't disappoint you. There is always a beautiful smile on my face each time I watch an episode. The chemistry between lead actors are phenomenal. Number 2. Flower of Evil. It is a suspense melodrama about a man who hides his cruel past and changes his identity, while his detective wife tracks down his past. It is one of the best suspenseful series I have ever watched. Each episode contains the twist that will keep you hooked. It is definitely one of the best Korean drama. This drama offers you a thrilling and emotional roller coaster ride of your life. You will get hooked right from the start, be on the edge of your seat biting your nails if you are a suspense thriller fan. Number 1. It's okay to not be okay. It is an extraordinary road to emotional healing opens up for an selfish antisocial children's book writer and a selfless psych ward caretaker when they cross paths. It's an excellent series to watch. It contains romance, mystery, horror, thrill and family drama. It will keep you hooked and booked till the end. You will fall in love in all the characters, especially the female lead. Start watching it now. You won't regret. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel Rapid Reviewer for more updates. Thank you.